In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your Squarespace website. Let's start by making our way over to your Squarespace account, log in with your credentials, and navigate to your site's dashboard. Now, once you're there, you should see your site title. Clicking on it will take you to the site editor, which is the central hub for all things related to customizing your website's design. This site editor is where all the magic happens. You have the power to tweak various elements of your website to match your brand's identity. Here, look for the Edit button. You'll find it somewhere near the top or as you hover over sections of your page. Click that. This button is your key to unlocking a dynamic editing interface where you can rearrange components, personalize colors, and most importantly for this tutorial, add your brand's logo. With the editing pane now open, focus your attention on the site header. This is a critical area because it's the first thing your visitors will notice when they interact with your website. You'll see an option that says Edit Site Header. And what you want to do is click on that. Editing the site header allows you to change not just the logo, but other header elements too, like menus or announcements. Now hover over your current site title and give it a double click. This action brings up the header configuration settings. Here's where you can modify how your website's name is displayed. However, that's not what we're after today. Instead, let's move on to adding your own unique logo. In the header menu that appears, there should be an option called Add Logo that you need to click on. Once you click that, look for the Upload File button. A file explorer will pop up, allowing you to choose an image file from your computer. Choose your logo file, but before you upload, make sure it's in a format Squarespace supports, such as JPEG or PNG for best results. Ensuring a high-resolution image is crucial. This maintains quality and gives your site a professional look. After selecting your file, it'll start uploading. Once it's uploaded, you should see a preview of your logo displayed right in the header. If things look good, there's one last essential step, saving your progress. Before you navigate away, find the Save button, typically located at the top or bottom of your editing panel, and click it. There you have it, a simple yet effective way to make your website stand out with a personalized logo. Adding your own logo not only reinforces your brand's presence online, but also adds a touch of professionalism. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in enhancing your Squarespace website. Don't hesitate to revisit this video if you need any reminders, and feel free to explore other customization options to make your site truly yours.